Lot of people in my personal private coaching session want to inquire that how they can keep up in their network or how they can really connect to the people of their choice. Now today I'm going to tell you some quick important tips and tricks that how you can utilize the connections you have made, and this is going to be a very long lasting tip and session. You can apply this throughout your life and career. Hi, this is Sunita Tang, your master career coach and your founder leader in making. I'm going to tell you quick 3 tips, but in the end I'm also going to tell you a bonus tip which is going to always keep you at par whenever you are really enjoying a good network on LinkedIn connection. Tip number 1: whenever you are messaging anybody for the connection request, it is very important that you read their profile completely. You should know, you should understand that what is the reason, what is the purpose that you are connecting with them, because LinkedIn is a very professional network, organized website, and is one of the biggest network, professional network in the world. So while you are connecting with a new connection, step number 1: always send a customized message greeting them, giving them your full name, what qualification you hold, and what is the purpose of connection. Now, when you are reading their profile in detail, the purpose you can get it from there, that if you are able to resonate with their experience, with their industry, with the job role they are doing, maybe you want to follow the same path. So while you are connecting with any new person or new professional on LinkedIn, ensure that you are sending a customized professional greeting note to that connection after reading their profile. Step number 2: while you are mentioning your introduction, always highlight your top 3 skills. And I'm talking about top 3 technical skills where you can contribute in the industry in a particular function, in a particular role. Along with that, you can also mention top 3 soft skills. You are honest, you have full of integrity, you are a go-getter, whatever you feel is your highest potential or highest strength. Step number 3: always seek guidance first and not the opportunity. This is the biggest mistake that people do make when they are making new connections. They immediately come on the opportunity, they immediately want a job, they say that we need internship, we need project. You need to understand your profile first. You need to understand that why you are resonating with the next person. Apart from HR, you can always connect with people in the same industry, in the same role, wherever you want to go, in the same function. So try to seek guidance over your existing profile, over your education, and what path they can suggest. And it is very important to work as per mutual convenience, mutual agreement. Don't force them, rather welcome them to treat you, to give you guidance as per their as per their mutual availability. Seek permission before sharing your profile. You have to be very formal when you're sending a note. Sir, can I seek your profile? Can I seek your the guidance over my profile? Would you be keen? Would you be interested, or would you be open to guide me? I can share my profile accordingly. Always seek permission and then share your profile for the guidance. And once you guys are connected, then post guidance, you can definitely seek opportunities in their network, in their organization. It is not just about getting the job in the organization where they are working. LinkedIn is all about networking. You can explore their network also. You can have 2 minutes time from them over phone if you really feel they are open to give you 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. Seek their time, seek their guidance, and accordingly you can explore the possibility of exploring the opportunities in their network and in the network of their own organization. Now, here is a bonus tip. The moment you get something, you still are in that touch with that professional, but otherwise you are not. It is very important that whenever you seek any guidance and you have got that guidance, and after each and every milestone, you respond back to that connection. You keep that connection updated while you are thanking that professional, that sir, you or ma'am, you have given so and so reference to me, so and so guidance to me, and this was the output, this was my effort, and I would really like to update you. Keep them posted over LinkedIn message. Be in touch with them. And otherwise also, if you're still not getting anything from them in terms of guidance or in terms of opportunity especially, Always be in touch with your LinkedIn connection. Occasionally you can wish on various good occasions, you can wish them, new year and any achievement or their work anniversaries or their promotion, because once you are connected, their updates will be highlighted on your LinkedIn page as well. So try to use all these tips. Try to keep your LinkedIn network always always live, and seek guidance more than opportunities, because guidance will definitely lead to some opportunities someday or the other. Try these tips. If you have any other doubt, you can comment in the description box below, and I will definitely include all your questions in my series, Your Questions and My Answers. Best of luck.